Whether you're looking to spruce up your home's exterior or maybe give that kitchen or bath a new look, the pros at American Home Tech are your complete home restoration experts.
So as a homeowner, you're going to know if you need new siding, if it's cracked, faded, it may be falling away from the home, or if it's brittle or damages easily. So when you do call American Home Tech and are looking for quotes for replacing your siding, the first thing we would do is come out to the home, assess the project as a whole. We're going to see if there's any wind or storm related damage to make sure that you don't have a valid insurance claim. But once we get that process figured out, we'll start talking about cash quotes and what you need to get your siding project done completely.
You have a starting siding with contractor's choice, which offers a variety of colors, but doesn't have a lot of custom colors. But then if you upgrade to more of the premium siding, it'll actually allow you, it's a thicker siding, and it allows you a little bit more color selection, some custom colors. And then if you go with the premium siding that we offer in a composite, a lot of times that is a lifetime siding. You basically put it on and you don't have to worry about it for life. Absolutely, insurance can cover the cost of siding. And typically how that works is when we're out on site taking a look at a property, we can determine if there's been wind damage or hail damage done to the siding. At that point, we can bring that to the adjuster's attention and then file that under catastrophic storm claim. So a lot of times we'll look at the roof, siding, gutters, window screens, and then basically based on that information, the insurance company will make a determination if the siding is replaceable. And then once the insurance company says, hey, we're going to repair the siding, we'll make the repairs to the siding, but most times, since the siding's about 15 years old, it doesn't match. So a lot of times, based on matchability, a lot of times we get full siding jobs done on people's homes.
When we're working on your home, we'll look at your siding, your soffit, your windows, your gutters, and your home as a whole to identify possible issues and create a system that will work for you. So once you get your installation date, the American Home Tech team will show up, we'll completely remove all of your siding, assess the structure for any repairs that need to be made, and then we will install a moisture barrier that will essentially dry in the structure and get you ready for your siding installation. Once the installation starts, you can anticipate it being a 3 to 4 day procedure. Usually we can wrap up a whole house within a week.
So American Home Tech offers a pretty awesome warranty package. You get all the manufacturer's warranties, of course, with the siding, and that depends on if you're going with a prime siding or a premium siding or an extra premium siding. But we back all of our labor by 5 years of warranty through American Home Tech. There's some options with payments. If you go through the insurance company and you file a claim, a catastrophic storm claim, and we determine that there's storm damage, then pretty much the homeowner would just be liable for the deductible. However, if they wanted to actually do a cash purchase, we typically will do 20% down on the front and then collect the balance upon the completion, but we also do offer financing through American Home Tech. When the job's completed, we have someone do what they call a walkthrough. So they'll walk through with the owner around the property, make sure that they're 100% satisfied.
Well, the biggest thing is preventive maintenance. A lot of people don't really take that into account nowadays. They want a maintenance-free home or something that they don't really have to mess with. And in reality, there are, maintenance-reducing products, but overall, everything is going to take an amount of maintenance, some amount of maintenance. So, yearly inspections by a qualified individual is number one. Addressing identified issues as soon as possible is number two, because if you leave it alone, the issue is just going to grow and become more of a problem and more of a money issue. And number three is you really want to keep up on your drainage system on your home. The gutters, the downspouts, the grade away from the home. All these things have a huge impact on your siding and roofing. Vinyl siding is a great product because it is very low maintenance. If you keep it clean and you keep it from getting damaged by hard impacts, it really should last the life of the home.